day or a 2-day or 3-day training. What we get from it are knowledge. Yung skills, sa training, meron kami tinatawag na CASH. Knowledge, attitude, skills, habits. So what we're getting from this training is knowledge. Para maging skill, yung knowledge, kailangan mo ng A. Ano yung A? Attitude. Meaning, willingness to embrace the knowledge and apply it. Paano yung skill maging habit? According to research, it takes about 70 days of repeated practice to turn a knowledge into a skill and then into a habit. So, pag sinabi nung isa na, well, from now on, I'm going to start listening to the ideas of my team, that means for the next 70 days, you're going to engage your team in conversations where you solicit ideas from them. Kasi yung utak natin, meron tayong tinatawag na synaptic connection. Sino bang mga psych dyan? Is every time we learn something new, our brains reconnect. Kaya nga awkward kapag umpisa kasi hindi pa kabisado ng utak yung ginagawa mo. And if you don't repeat it, yung temporary connection na yon mapapatid. Para mas strengthen yung connection na yon, it has to be done repeatedly. So, kaya madaling lumabnaw yung natutunan sa training kapag hindi in-apply immediately. So, I challenge you that for the next 70 days, subukan nyo po because ang pangako ko kahapon, magkikita-kita tayo after 3 months. That's 90 days. So, may palugid pang 20 days. No? And hopefully, okay, with your commitment and dedication to your own personal development, maging permanent yung synaptic connection na yun, and that you're able to form a habit, and 3 months from now, we can talk about how that made a difference in your relationship and engagement with your team members. Ganda, di ba? Pag-usapan natin. Maniningil ako after 3 months. Aalamin ko kung ano yung na-apply natin.